Hi there, this video is for someone who tried ChatGPT and was not satisfied with the results. Tutorial is for you because I will share with you how you can create unique and original content that sounds like you. Let's get started. One thing that you need to remember when using ChatGPT is the output is only as good as your input. So you need to tell ChatGPT how exactly you want your writing to sound. If you have no idea of how to describe your writing, you need to describe the right tone of voice. You use adjectives, so like friendly, educational, or you can also use similar tones like popular writers. Sometimes I play around with Jerry Seinfeld type of tone of voice. So those are the adjectives that you can use, but you can also use your past writings. So all you got to do. So this is my blog post. And what you're going to do is copy that, paste it in ChatGPT. So I'm going to write the command first. So if this is your first time, this is how you would put in your prompt. So prompts is anything that you want to ChatGPT to do. So detect the tone of voice for this. So the reason why we're doing this is so we can identify the adjectives that you would describe your writing. So the tone of voice in this text is informative, friendly, and conversational. The writing is sharing their personal experiences and recommendations while explaining the benefits of the tool they mention. So the keywords that we want here are informative, friendly, and conversational. So now what I'm going to do is I can open a new chat. So let's say, because I talk a lot about productivity for solopreneurs. So write a LinkedIn post for solopreneurs using I'm just going to copy and paste. Did I copy and paste that? Okay, paste. And informative. And if you're feeling more advanced, you can even tell how many words you want it to be, or if there is a structure that you want the post to follow as well. So there are many structures in marketing like AIDA, attention, interest, desire, and action. So you can also use that. But for this tutorial, we're going to start with something simple. Write a LinkedIn post for solopreneurs using an informative, friendly, and conversational tone. So when you use keywords like conversational and friendly, ChatGPT will actually add emojis. So which is perfect for me because I usually add emojis on my post anyway. And sometimes I actually take more time choosing the right emojis. And with this one, it makes my workflow faster. So yeah. And then I can copy and paste this. So I can actually use this as part of my prompt, like turn this into 5 separate LinkedIn posts. And yeah, I will choose. So you want the content to sound like you. It needs to be original. So it's something that you personally use. So I would remove things here that are not, like, for example, networking. That's something that I don't usually do a lot. So I would probably remove that. Keep learning. Yeah, so definitely outsource smartly. So that's something that I would use. So the way I approach the AI in general is that it's like building Legos. So you have these blocks that you can turn into anything you want. So ChatGPT will give you blocks, but it's up to you which ones you want to use or you want to discard for your final content. So yeah, it's super easy and identify your tone of voice so that you can use it in your future prompts and you'll be confident that the output will sound like you. So if you want to learn more about using ChatGPT in a practical way for your day-to-day workflow, make sure to go to bit.ly/ I'm going to type that in, ChatGPT challenge. So it's a great way to get started. Even if you already been using ChatGPT, but you're kind of feeling lost or you're sick of the prompts that you're using, this is a great way to start with that. So you'll be introduced as to exactly how ChatGPT works, really practical prompts that you can use, whether you're a writer, solopreneur, virtual assistant. And it really talks about how you can be productive and how to master your workflows. So go ahead and sign up for the free 5-day email challenge, and I'll see you on the next tutorial.